So sitting behind me, you see a sample, one of the prototypes of the Red Steel bumper. This has been an amazing effort. In under 8 weeks, we have developed 26 part numbers. And as far as you need to know, that's basically 100% of the part numbers you need for coverage of the older makes and models. Now, I wouldn't want to divulge too many secrets, but honestly I don't care, because our competitors couldn't really make up for it even if they tried to come copy this. Years and years of experience and some of the standardizations that we've implemented in other products like the Black Steel and Elite lines, we've now leveraged into this product. That's part of what drives that lower cost in the development and in turn the manufacturing, by having some real standard features and shapes to this part that allow us to do them in bulk. Now, for you, as an installation standpoint, man, these things become awesome, which is probably going to make you wish we had it on the other parts, but come check out this weight on this thing. So we broke Red Steel down into more of a winch mount and shell type execution for a couple reasons. One, we wanted to leverage the existing bracketry we've already developed and proven on Black Steel with a integrated winch mount, just knowing that comes into play for that price point. While the style, you end up with a little bit bulkier truck to truck, because different trucks have a different nose radius, and we only have 2 optional widths or rakes on ours. But you know what, that's okay. We're competing against some pretty fugly looking bumpers out there. So we still found a way to make ours look superior to those in the space while coming in hundreds of dollars less than them. Now from an installation, look at this thing. For one, just the shell, the weight of it. Granted, I'm tipping it. I'm not quite that strong to lift it, but you know what? You can tell. It's nice being out of 11 gauge for the whole shell with some reinforcement, 120 wall, 2-inch tubing on the pre-runner. It's a good, robust piece, and we've proven the strength of that through our vengeance over the years. So in this winch mount and shell strategy for mounting, what's really cool, first, you get this robust center, and this is going to allow you to stab the winch tray with the winch installed to the frame brackets. Well, this is a lot more manageable and less weight, and you don't have the risk of, while you're trying to hold up 300 pounds, you've all been there, trying to keep the wings of the bumper from hitting the fenders. So just getting that guy on and installed and plumbed, then you've just got to put the shell over the shackles, and it really just takes 2 bolts to stab this thing, because that alone lets it hold itself. Then you've got minor adjustment after the 6 bolt over 2 plane interface to the shell. That's given us all the strength we need to not have any vibration, while you've got some adjustment in that and an easy installation of a lighter weight outer shell. So it's bang, bang, bang. Brackets, winch mount, shell. Easy to do, quick in and out. Get that guy on the road happy. You guys are making money. All right, so our mission was, can we deliver a sub $1,000 retail truck replacement bumper with winch mount to our loyal jobbers? Well, we've done some crazy things here. Say we can put a man on the moon, you can put 40s on a truck with no lift. This was our answer to the sub $1,000 jobber oriented replacement truck bumper. So the first thing is, well, it can't just be a brick. We've got to have Fab 4 styling. And I think we've done a great job given the constraints, because there's no fairy dust to this thing. In order to lower that price point, we had to introduce some new methodologies into manufacturing, the ability to batch, more standardization in the design itself. We're going to roll out 26 part numbers on this guy, and we needed to have some consistency between, so we could take advantage of the economies of scale in production to pass on to you guys. What that means, yes, you are not going to get a one-off fender to this, every perfect dimension that we do on our other bumpers. It's more of a Black Steel kind of in nature, having some standard overall widths, standard rakes. That comes with it. Want to be forthright with you guys, but here's the thing. I'd still take this any day over the competitors and even the $1,300 and under price point range. So we've pulled off the styling. You've got a little bit of a Matrix Vengeance look to it. It's 11 gauge thickness. We've pulled this off in the shell with the strength that we can count on over that experience. And when you stack it over the 3/16 winch mount tied directly to the frame, you still have all that impact resistance you need with some Fab 4 styling, all in an easy to install package, under $1,000 with better margins for you guys.